TRD brand is very, very important. So I think folks need to realize that this isn't just wheels and tires. This isn't just a badge.
The essence of TRD in our minds is authentic. We're making a car for enthusiasts.
So we knew that the styling had to be sporty, the interior had to match the exterior styling, and we also knew if the vehicle had to outperform the most sporty Camry and Avalon.
Our goal is to make sure that our vehicles that we are styling visually represent the capabilities of what a TRD vehicle needs to be.
Combining the opportunity to have more dynamic experience, but also the kind of auditory response as well as the styling to match is really just the total package.
The suspension is tuned for performance. We have very high capacity brakes, much higher capacity shock absorbers, springs, wheels, tires.
The vehicle's lowered. It has unique styling cues. Once you get in is when it really starts. You push the start button, the exhaust flares, and from there you go.
I think the customers will be blown away by the dynamic performance. You are going to feel totally connected to the road and have an absolute blast driving these cars.
You have a huge smile on your face because this vehicle is just reacting to everything you do.
And those driving dynamics are really going to give them a seat of the pants feel that's going to be like no other Camry or Avalon that we've ever built.